Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sir, I want to reveal you some truth for which Allah has sent me, because the topic was going about Hazrat Isa, and everybody knows that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is going to come back. I myself want to reveal something, that I myself is Imam Mehdi, and I am giving news of the arrival of the Jesus Christ, be peace upon him.
You are the Mahdi?
I am just... Don't laugh at me, because I am the Allah's message which I have taken, and Allah has told me that you have to go and tell, because this is the high time. This is the high time. We are not doing what we are ordered to.
I have one question for you, if you don't mind. Imam
Yes, sir.
Mahdi is going to speak Arabic, as you know.
Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim.
Brother, this is not enough.